This is Estee Lauder. It's glittery. I love this kind of shades. This one is from BLK. Ever Bilena BLK Vice Cosmetic. Inside is of Shiseido makeup. So brush, concealer, lipstick. This eyeshadow. Lancome pouch. Hydrogel melting mask. I have two different kinds of mascara. Let's open it. Smells so good. I'm loving the color. Lux lip oil. And guys, this is the Color Pop lip oil. Hi girls, this is Joanna Escario. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're doing unboxing, and of course I'm gonna show you guys all the makeups that I have here. It's from my friends, it's a gift, and some are birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, been here forever. This is the right time, I guess, to open this, and I wanna unbox it to you guys. Start with this pouch. So I have here like a lot, and before I knew it, it's already full. So I wanna open it before it gets bad. It's got expired, right? So this one is from BLK. This one I bought it in Philippines. I bought at least 15 shades of BLK lipsticks. And of course, some of it I use it, and some are still. Oh, it's only 3. I don't know where I put the others of this, but I only have 3 in here. One that I have here is the Ever Bilena lip balm. Ever Bilena lip balm. So I bought it 245. I bought it in Watson. So I have here the BLK. Oh, I thought I still have more of this. I don't know. I only have one not open yet, or maybe some of these lipsticks are inside the bag. This is Lava in a shade Lava. And I have here the Vice Cosmetic in a shade All or Nothing. So I still have 3 in here. So this is free every time you be paying 3,500 minimum of BLK products, and then you get this pouch for free. I'm not sure if it's blue or pink because I gifted it to my friend, but I don't remember what color is that. The color, it's really aesthetic. I love it. The next one is this one. This pouch is also included when I received this as a gift last year when we went to San Francisco to his cousins. I mean, to his aunt's house, and his aunt gifted me this makeup pouch, and inside is of Shiseido makeup. So this is Shiseido. I don't know how to pronounce it right because I'm not sure if I am saying it right, but it's Shiseido. So all the products inside are Shiseido items. I have here the Shiseido Aura Dew Face Eye Sleep. I don't know the correct pronunciation of this, but I'm already using this one. And brush concealer. I have brush concealer. Oh my god, I thought I don't have brush concealer. I'm almost gonna buy, and the good thing I opened this. So I have one here, and I have this lipstick, and I have some of the makeup inside. I already use it, and I have this eyeshadow. I cannot pronounce the name. Let's open this one. Concealer brush. I don't need to buy this. You know, guys, this is expensive. It's around $20 to $30 for the brushes. See? Ooh, oh, that's so fancy. Looks so fancy. And the shade is this. Look, it's dark. And what's in the other side? Oh, okay. Just to open it, like, you need to. Okay, that's so cool. I love it. Same color of my nails, imagine. It matches. One is, let's open it. Oh, Oh, this is so cute. It's glittery. It's lunar. God, I love the color. Look at the bottle. It's so cute. It's kind of flat, but look what's inside. It's glittery. I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's been 2 years here. I've never been opening it. And now, I'm so happy I opened it. So I still have a lot of makeup. So happy. And then another one. This was gifted to me, not last year, but this, oh yeah, December. So this one is gifted to me 2 years ago, and I just really barely opened it today. And this one was gifted to me last year, December, of my very own friend, BFF, Bianca. So this is Lancome pouch with a set of Lancome product. Di ko pa ito nabubuksan. Never been opening this. So what's inside? Let's open it. So I have here this hydrogel melting mask. This. I have mascara. Open. Oh, it's also a mascara. So I have 2 different kinds of mascara. Lancome soft cream. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, this is it. Wow, fancy. Look at that. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. So, smells so good. It's a face cream. Smells so good. Smells so good. One more thing, I have this. What is this? So cute! Look at the shades. I love this kind of shades. Ang ganda. Thank you, Bianca. Sorry, ngayon ko lang binuksan yung gift mo sa akin nung December. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Ang ganda. And then, meron pa. Hindi lang yon. Meron pa tayong Color Pop. Santa Baby. See, it's really Christmas because I got this gift for Christmas. So it's a Lippy Sticks Trio. Different shades of Color Pop. Let's try one. Oh, I have 3 shades. The shades are, look, Lippy Sticks. The Gold Digger. One is Oh Snap. One is Brink. All matte. So let's try. I want to try the Gold Digger because that's me. Gold Digger. Like this. I love the shade. Look at the shade. Let's open it all so you can see the shades. Look at the difference of 2. I'm loving the color. Look at the shade. Baby, it's so pretty. The shade. Gold Digger. I'm wearing Maybelline Teddy Tint, but let me put it on. Oh, look at the shade. It's more darker. I love it. God, it's so pretty. I love it. So this is from Colourpop, and I love all the shades. I love it. Lux Lip Oil. It's also from Paula. I'm in a shade Skinny Dip. And guys, this is the Colourpop Lip Oil. Let's put it on. Oh my god. Ang bango. Smells so good. For you guys to let you know that I'm not using a light. I'm just using the normal light from our window. So it's glowing. So that's all in this Lancome pouch. And thank you so much, Bianca, sa iyong gift na ngayon ko lang nabuksan. I really appreciate it. You know why I'm doing this. You know that I am a person that really appreciate anything. I keep it as much as possible. Like, I just want to keep it, you know. I treasured all the gifts that I received. That's why I'm like this. So just over there. And you know, guys, she gave me also this so cute friendship thingy. And actually, when I receive it, I am teary-eyed after reading the message. So it's so cute. So ito yon. Because our friendship is forever. Walang makakapigil doon. There's a message on this. This is like accessory plate. Ano bang tawag doon? Basta accessory plate siya. So, thank you for the laughter, for all the fun we've shared. Thanks for always caring and knowing what to say. Thanks for being a friend in such a special way. This is to remind you, I am here for you always. We will face life together. We are best friends forever. Grabe, nung na-receive ko to, naiyak talaga ako. I love you Bianca, sobra. So, kaya hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi ayaw ko siyang mabasag. Tinitreasure ko talaga siya. Thank you for this. And same as well, I'm your best friend forever. Love you. Ayan, iyak na. Oh, nandito pala yung pink. So, I have another one blue. So, this is the BLK pouch that I have here. Oh my God, this part. This is Estee Lauder. My boyfriend's brother, girlfriend, nalito kayo. Jowa ko, kapatid ng jowa ko, yung girlfriend ng kapatid ng jowa ko. So yun, ang nagpadala nito sa akin. I received this gift. So I still have more and this video is so long already. I'm gonna do a part 2. So that's all for today, ladies. Bye! Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Love, love, love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!